Hello and welcome back to this channel. Bitcoin trading analysis using candlestick pattern in bull and bear market. Bitcoin is a digital cryptocurrency and we have seen a phenomenal increase in its value recently along with significant price volatility. With so many benefits to offer, many who never thought about trading in their life are now tempted with these digital nuggets of gold. However, investors must be very cautious and monitor and protect their investment by increasing their price action and technical knowledge due to high trading risk. Candlestick charting is a popular and appropriate method for Bitcoin traders due to its simplicity of price movement. It can help you to estimate the likelihood of a certain market behavior in the near future. In this video, I am going to analyze Bitcoin price using candlestick pattern in bull and bear market. I'm also going to show you multiple practical examples to clarify this strategy. So many viewers requested me to have a video on Bitcoin. So stay with me to the end of this video to learn so many tricks in price action in order to increase your trading ability. This is Yahoo Finance, BTC, Canadian, and W time frame. Each candle represents 1 week of trading. This is a Bitcoin price pattern from September 2019 to February 2021. So I'm going to analyze this pattern in 1D time frame and show you exactly where the price is going to go up and down, where you can enter the market, where you can exit the market, how you use all those patterns and formations and so on. And also, uh, I get help from MACD indicator and moving average in order to find the precise location to enter the market. And then I'm going to show you how much you make money. So I break these pattern into 4 months. And so in this, in the subsequent slide, I'm going to go through it. So you will be able to learn lots of informations in price action. Now in this graph, I'm going to analyze Bitcoin price fluctuation between September the 23rd, 2019 and January 6, 2020. Now, all the prices that I'm going to show you is based on close price. And also the time frame in this graph is D1 time frame, which each candle represent 1 day of trading. Now, the price here on September the 23rd, 2019, it started at 9,730 and it's coming down and it's going in a range band between these two narrow band and is fluctuating between these two and eventually broke the support and have a pullback again, enter the range and break the resistance and go out and close here. So this by itself, it means that is a very strong uptrend and you can enter the market right here at 11,310 at 11,310. So, and then you see that the price is going up and again up, but here we have a big shooting star and these are inside bar. That by itself, it means that the power of the buyers is diminishing, and that's the time that the bear is going to take over. So this is the best time to exit the market right here at 12,478. So between the entry and exit, you make almost $1,168, which is beautiful in 2 days or 3 days. So you see, this is all big inside bar pattern, and it's combo, which it has so many candles inside this big bar. So this is a very strong downtrend, and this strong downtrend making, you see that a strong downtrend, usually the candles are big, which you see that the candles are big, and it makes it making it lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, and finally from here it doesn't make lower low, it makes higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, because that's again a strong uptrend. So I'm going to show you uh, from MACD indicator and also moving average that this is all in line with the price action. Now here in this, at the bottom of a downtrend, those traders that they can make some money from this high and low leg of the swing, so you can enter the market at this point because this is a big shoot, this is a big hammer, that's a sign of an uptrend, the reversal. At the and you can enter the market here at the price of 7,146 on November 24, 2019, and it goes all the way up till here, and the price here is 10,053. And you see these two candles, if you blend these two candles with candlestick math, you see that's a shooting star, and shooting star at the top of an uptrend, that is a trend reversal. So you can exit the market here, and between entry and exit, you make $2,907 with in just 5 days. Phenomenal. Now again, this is a bullish engulfing. At the bottom of this downtrend, you see that it's a reversal pattern. You can enter the market at this point, which the price is 7,511 on December the 17th, 2019, and then ride on this big trend. Now let's see from MACD indicator and moving average, see what they are going to tell us. Are they in line with the price action or not? Let's see it. In this graph, I'm going to analyze the moving average and MACD indicators reaction to Bitcoin price fluctuation. Now I installed MACD indicator, this MACD indicator with 12.26.9 parameter, and also I installed moving average, simple moving average with 20 days period. Now here at the beginning, the price is coming down and going inside the range. Now you see that the MACD indicator shows the downtrend. The blue line is below the orange line, and also the size of the histogram bar is increasing in the negative side. And as soon as the length of a histogram bar turn green, that is means then at an uptrend, start an uptrend. So here there are some long leg and short leg of the trend. You can make money here too if you want, but we discuss about it that in a safe side, when the candle it's moving upward, the bullish candle moving upward, break the dynamic resistant, the moving average, and close here, we say that we enter the market here. You could enter the market around this area too as well and make more money, but this is to be on the safe side. And then the trend goes up, and you see that this is showing upward, and the length of the histogram increases, and from the time that the length of a histogram bar is decreasing, that is the best place that you exit the market. So we exit here, and you see MACD indicator shows the same thing. And here that from this point, the price is decreasing and cutting the moving average and going down. So moving average shows downtrend because the price is below the moving average, and MACD indicator shows downtrend. The blue line is below the orange line. That is the sign of up downtrend. And we enter again the market when we see this hammer at the bottom of a downtrend, and the price is increasing. And you see here the price increase from here, and we exit the market right there. Now again, we enter the market at this point where we have a bullish engulfing, and we are going to check again for in the next slide to see what happened to that trend. Did we make a good decision or not? So you see in this graph, MACD indicator, moving average, and price action, they're all in line, and we make a good decision to enter and exit the trading market. Again, this slide, we are talking about Bitcoin price fluctuation analysis. Now the trend, this is where we enter the market. That's a bullish engulfing. That's we entered the market at 7,511 on December 17, 2019. Now look at this, a strong uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on, all the way there. And then from here, you make lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So that means that this strong uptrend, it terminated here. Why? Because we have an inside bar. An inside bar, it shows us that the bullish power is diminishing. So you have to exit the market. So I exit the market here at 13,690 on February 11, 2020. And this is all downtrend. You could make money in this swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. You can make money too. Like for example, now here we have a big bearish hammer. That's a sign of a uptrend reversal. So you could enter the market here at the price of $7,439 on March 16, 2020. And you could go up all the way here, and you could exit the market. If you blend these two candles, you see a shooting star. I have so many videos on candlestick blending, candlestick math blending. So please see those videos in order to increase your price action knowledge. Now that's the shooting star. That means a sign of a downtrend. Again here, you can enter the market here. That's a bullish engulfing. That's the trend reversal from downtrend to uptrend. So you could enter the market here, and you could go up all the way here. And again, that is the reversal. Why? Because that's the inside bar. That's a small inside bar. That means this uptrend is finished. So you better to exit the market. And again, enter again here. Now, instead of that, I enter the market here and leave it as it is because it's a big uptrend. Look at that. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and swing high. It goes all the way. So that is a very nice uptrend. And you see what is going to happen. Now, we have to see the next slide, see what MACD indicator and moving average will tell us. Are they in line with the price action, with what we talk about it? did we make a good decision? Did we make a good decision? But here, look, in this place that we enter the market and this place that we exit the market, we made $6,179 in nearly 55 days. That's phenomenal. That's phenomenal. Can you imagine if you have, let's say, instead of 7,511, if you had, let's say, 10 times more, 10 times more, you make $60,000 in just nearly 2 months. That's phenomenal. So let's see the next slide, see what moving average is going to tell us. This is moving average and MACD indicators reaction to Bitcoin price fluctuation. Now, on the previous slide, we were here that we entered the market at 7,511 on December 17, 2019. Look here, the price is going around the moving average and take off here, and that's the sign of an uptrend for the moving average. And from here, it breaks the dynamic support, means that moving average, and it going down, that is a sign of a downtrend. And here, look, MACD indicator shows the blue line is above the orange line all the time. So that's a sign of an uptrend all the way here. And from here, the blue line is below the orange line. So that's a sign of a downtrend. And from here that we enter the market at the price of 7,439 on March 16, 2020, you see the histogram bar. The green histogram bar is on the negative side is shrinking. That's the sign of an uptrend. And on a positive side as increasing, that's a sign of an uptrend. So you could enter the market around this area, which is the hammer that we enter the market, and you see the price is going up, and MACD indicator shows uptrend all the way there. And from here, you see there is a reversal. Why? Because there is an inside bar combo. This this is green candle, and then the next two candles that are inside bar. That means the sign of the uptrend power is almost diminishing. So we exit the market at 13,448 on May 8, 2020, and we enter the market at March 16, 2020 at 7,439, and you make in 52 days, you make $6,009 in 52 days, in nearly not even 2 months. That's incredible. That's very, very good. If you make a good decision, you make a good money, but you have to use your price action knowledge and also your technical knowledge in order to be a successful trader. Now let's see what happened after this in the next slide. This is your channel, and I'm trying my best to improve your trading knowledge to make profit from the stock market. I have so many valuable trading information to pass on to you, and in order that you receive it on time, please subscribe and support this channel, and thank you in advance. Now, Bitcoin price fluctuation continue. We were here that we exit the market at 13,448 May 8, 2020, and you see that the trend is coming down, and you have an inside bar right here. That means the end of this downtrend, and the price usually fluctuate, and after that it comes to a range band, and it comes to build up. So when it comes to build up, there is not that much action going on. The price fluctuate, and the size of the candles become very small and tiny, and with basically no shadow or very small shadow. So we have to wait for a strong breakout, which this is a strong breakout. So we have to wait for this moment to enter the market. Now, for those swing traders that they can swing, they can make money uh, in a short and long leg of the trend. This is an inside bar that you can enter the market here, and you can go all the way there, and you see that that's a shooting star that you can exit the market. And again, you can enter the market here. If you blend these two candles together, you get a hammer, and that's a hammer, that's a sign of an uptrend. And you go all the way here, and if you blend these two candles, you get a shooting star, that's a sign of a downtrend. So again, the trend is basically trending in a very low up and down, low fluctuation. Up to here that you can enter the market on July 20, 2020 at $12,604. And this, you see that that's a very strong uptrend. It goes all the way and enter this ranging zone. So you exit the market at this point, and and that is a bearish engulfing, which if you blend even these two candles, you get a shooting star. That's a sign of a downtrend. So you exit the market at this point at 14,809 on August 1st, 2020. And you see that the price is fluctuating after that and break the support line and come all the way here. And then I installed a trend line here, and you see that the price is respecting the trend line and just bouncing the trend line and going upward. So I entered the market here because of this long hammer. That's a sign of an uptrend, and I leave it as it is. At this point, the price is 13,668 on September 9, 2020, and the price is fluctuating. You see that a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and go up all the way there. So now we have to look at the MACD indicator and also moving average to see these decisions that we are making. Is it in line with the price action? Now here would we enter the market at 12,604 and exit the market at 14,809. We make $2,205 in 11 days. That's phenomenal. That's phenomenal. That's very good. So if you use your price action knowledge, you could make money. But you have to increase your price action. You have to watch lots of videos and write down the important point so you use it when you are trading. So let's see a MACD indicator and moving average. This is moving average and MACD indicators reaction to Bitcoin price fluctuation. Now we will hear that the trend is reversing, and you see that the trend is reversing in a choppy way. You see that basically it is going around the moving average, and the moving average shows flat, and and here you see build up. There is not that much action going on, and here the MACD indicator also in this part it shows downtrend, and again downtrend, and again downtrend. So there is not that much going on. Here is basically flat, so you cannot do any entry or exit around this area. Now we made a good decision that where the price break out, we enter the market here. That is where we make we enter the market, and you see the price is going up, and you see the price is above moving average. That's a sign of uptrend. And here the blue line is above the orange line. That's a sign of uptrend. You see the length of a histogram bar, the green one, it's increasing all the way till here. And then we exit the market around this area with this bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. So that is where we exit the market here. And you see from there the price is in this range, and finally break this support, and again we enter the market at this hammer, and you see the trend is going up. The trend is going up. We made a good decision. And here we enter the market here where the length of a histogram bar, the green one on a negative side, is decreasing. That's a sign of uptrend. And again here is increasing. That's a sign of uptrend. And again continue all the way there. So that is a very good place that we enter the market, and the price going up. So now the MACD indicator, the moving average, and the price action, they're all in line, and we made a good decision. Let's see what happened to the price after this. Now Bitcoin price fluctuation continue. Now here, that was where the price broke the support and go out of the range. And here we entered the market on the bullish hammer. We entered the market here at 13,668 on September 9, 2020. And you see the trend is basically going upward. Nice and neat. So here we see a hanging man followed by inside bar, both of them. And also, if you blend these two candles, you're going to have a shooting star. So that is the sign of a downtrend. That is the sign of this uptrend near the end, and is going to reverse. So we exit the market here at $24,356 on November the 24th, 2020. So between the entry price 13,668 and the exit price to 24,356, we made almost $10,668 in 2.5 months. That's amazing. That's amazing. If you know the price action, and easily you could make that much money. But the only thing is, I all the time emphasize that you have to be very good in price action. And I have so many videos on price action, and I appreciate if you pay attention and write down all the important points, so you can use it in your trading activity. So let's see what happened after this, and see whether MACD indicator and moving average, are they in line with us. Moving average and MACD indicators reaction to Bitcoin fluctuation continue. Now we were here. The price is basically was coming down from the range, and then we entered the market right here because of this hammer. We entered the market here, and you see the price is going up above moving average, and finally a takeoff. So that is a very good uptrend. It's amazing. And you see the MACD indicator shows that the length of a histogram bar, the green one, it is decreasing on the negative side. That is increasing. That means the price increases, and it goes above the zero line and increases here. That's a sign of uptrend. And all the way, the blue line is above the orange line, all the way up to here, that we exit the market at the right time and the right place. So from there, you see that the trend is going down. The blue line is below the orange line. And also here, you see that's the downtrend. Now, so the MACD indicator and moving average and price action, they were all in line, and we made a good decision. So let's see what is going to happen after this point in the next slide. Bitcoin price fluctuation continue. We were here that we exit the market on November the 24th, 2020 at $24,356. And again, we see the price is in build up and there's not that much going on, that much action going on here. So we decided to enter the market where the price break out strongly at 24,409 on December 12, 2020. So the price is going all the way up, all the way here, and at the top of an upward trend, we face with the inside bar. That is means indecision for the bull, and this bullish power coming to the end. So we exit the market at 51,079 on January 8, 2021. So the trend going downward, and here we have a big bearish hammer. By itself, it has inside bar combo. These two candles, they're inside this bearish candle. So it means the trend will move just a bit, and then we face again with the bearish tweezer top. That is suggesting the trend going back downward. Now here, that is again is a bullish tweezer bottom. And even if you blend these two candles, you get a hammer. So that is the sign of an uptrend. So we enter the market here at $41,028 on January 21, 2021. So the trend is going all the way up, and we exit the market here on February 13, 2021 at 61,818. Now, from this place that we enter the market and this place that we exit the market, we make 26,670 in 27 days. That's phenomenal. That's unbelievable. And also in this part that we enter the market at 41,028 and exit 61,818, we make in 23 days, we make 20,790. That's unbelievable. So we want to know in the next slide whether the price action, MACD indicator, and also moving average, they're all in line, whether we exit and enter in the right place. So let's check. Now again, in this graph that we have MACD indicator and moving average, we exit the price here, and you see the price is just basically just moving very slowly around the moving average, and we enter the market here where the price break out, and you see that it's a strong uptrend above moving average. That's the sign of a strong uptrend. And here you see from this place that we exit the market, you see the MACD indicator is below the orange line. So that's the sign of a downtrend. And here we, as where the prices break up, we enter the market, and you see that the histogram bar in a green sign, the green histogram bar in below the zero line, it start moving upward and again continue moving upward, and you see The blue line is above the orange line. That's a sign of upward all the way there that we exit the market. So MACD indicator shows that we did okay. Moving average shows that we did a good decision. We made a good decision. And from here, the price is going downward. And you see that MACD indicator shows downward. And here that we enter the market, you see the histogram bar, the green histogram bar, the size is shrinking in a negative size. That's a sign of uptrend. So we could enter the market right around here, and then after that it continue going upward all the way. So the MACD indicator tell us that we made a good decision, and the moving average tell us that we made a good decision. So price action, MACD indicator, and moving average, they were all in line, and this is how you have to go about trading in any stock that you are doing. So I hope this video be useful, and please just drop me a couple of lines to see your comment. I'm going to work on this kind of videos that be able to increase your price action knowledge in the near future. That's all, folks. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you next time.